let's get into another important topic, which is about the common security attacks in our IT infrastructure. So generally, there are number of attacks which we faced in our real life scenarios, but the most common types of attacks are mentioned is right now on our screens. Number one is called reconnaissance. Reconnaissance is a type of attack which is fall in the category of passive attacks. What does actual means of reconnaissance? These kinds of attacks are generally information gathering attacks. So in the case of reconnaissance, hackers generally never launch any kind of attack or destroy our network. At the initial stage, they are just getting information about our network. Is some if the robbers team or the robbers gang try for robbery in any kind of bank, so before their this bad activity, they go to the area of the bank and they monitor the bank activity, about where the security cameras are placed, where the security guard is stand, how many security guards are there, the bank opening time, the bank closing time, each and everything. So they are preparing for the robbery, but before this robbery they are trying to get the exact information about the banking operations and the security measures. So in the same manner, when an attacker or black hat hacker try to launch attack in our IT infrastructure, they before any attack they get the basic requirements and about our infrastructure. uh, they get the information about our IP addresses, about the protocols, about the firewalls, about the operating systems, because uh, uh, the inform when you have a large number of information about the infrastructure, then it will be easy for you to launch the attack. So that kind of attack in which just to gather the information is called reconnaissance attack. Number second type of attack is called the access attack, in which and this type of attack is fall in the category of active attacks. Now the hacker will come with the number of well equipped tools and launch a powerful attack in your network infrastructure and get access to the network resources, the share folders, the data, the services, the applications and servers. So a type of attack in which attacker with the help of number of tools get access of your network resources is called access attack, and this attack is fall in the category of active attacks. Now when the attacker get the access, so definitely the aim of the hacker is not on the moral grounds they are the bad guys. So these guys will definitely destroy the IT operations, and therefore they will launch the attack, other phase of the attack, which is called denial of service. They will stop number of services like DNS, DHCP, file sharing services, databases, other network resources. So these three types of attacks generally launched by the black hat hackers. There are many other types of attacks and many types of tools and many other aspects of the security which we not discuss over here just because of the time limitation. So when we go for our advanced course in that course we will definitely discuss all the attacks and their launching strategy and their launching tools in detail. I hope that till now you get the basic concepts related to the security. Thank you very much.